Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to record a video. I actually recorded it yesterday when I opened it, the whole unboxing and everything. So I'm deciding to do a redo of it today. So today's unboxing is from Boxycharm. I already opened it yesterday, like I said. I pre-recorded it and I didn't like the way the whole setup was. So I did my makeup because I had an appointment today. Well, I didn't really have an appointment. I had to go do something, and we didn't do it, so it's okay. So we're just gonna go into the products and what I got in this Boxycharm. Today is the April's Boxycharm, and let's get into it. We're gonna go in order. This one says peace, love, and Boxy. So the first one we're gonna go into is the Per Complexion Authority Festival palette. So it's already, this is the box, it says festival on it, and then this is the actual product right here. So this is the Per Festival palette. Don't know what that is. This is the Per Festival palette, which looks like this. It has these amazing beautiful colors in here. You have some vibrant colors, you have some glitters, you have some mattes, and you have some shimmers up on the top, and they all have their names. And then you also get a grip sample, which is, I'm guessing, for the glitters if you want them to last longer or whatnot. So this is what you will receive in the little eyeshadow box, and I love it. This is exactly what I did. It's kind of like it's almost like the pen, the, how do I say, the brushes that I got. Like, you will see how the brushes look and you'll be like, yeah, you kind of did the look of how the brushes look. So anyways, I love it. It's definitely different from any other palette that I've received. I love the glitters because that's exactly what I have on right here. This is overall a very beautiful palette, and I will use this for work and for my daily use because it's beautiful. I love it. I love the way it looks, and I was super excited. Like, you should have saw my excitement yesterday. I was like over the top. So there's the first product. The second one, we have the Luxie the Summer Days 3-piece brush set. So these are the brushes right here, and you can see that they almost look like my eyeshadow. Let's see. Come on. Okay. So you get a 209 large shader brush, 245 small shader, and a 512 small contouring. So as you can see, it almost looks like what I did on my eye. And then these are the brushes. So this is the 245 small shader. This is a 209 large shader, and then the small contouring brush. So we will see how these are in use, how I like them. But overall, the style, the look of it is very festively and like pretty, so, and girly as well. So thank you, Luxie. The Luxie brushes that I received last time were these light pink ones, and these are more on the vibrant side. These are more like sunset, you know. So I didn't tell you, the palette ranges for $36. The Luxie brushes go for $28. I hope it's not separate. I hope it's together. I'm not sure. I'm gonna see Luxie's prices for the brushes because I love the brushes. They're very soft, and I like the way they blend the product out. So there's that. The next one is Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder. This is amazing. Which looks like this. So this is the packaging. I've never owned anything by Artist Couture. This is the Diamond Glow Powder in Purple Dream, and it's beautiful. You guys can't really see it, but I do have a little bit on my cheek. Product right here. It looks very orangey, but it actually is purple. So let me just twist the top. And it comes with this protective seal so that none of your powder will be, you know, spilling. So, oh my god, you guys need to see this. It's like, it's not gonna show, but in person it's just this beautiful purple. Can't see, but it's a beautiful purple highlight. I'll see if I can incorporate if I can place a video of the purple highlight so that you guys can actually see the real effect of it. So this one's called Purple Dream Diamond Glow Powder. So just for $27, which I don't mind purchasing again because this is a beautiful product and I've never had anything like this. So this is my favorite, from my second favorite from everything, because I am in love with highlighters, so I love it. The next one we have is right in front of us. I used it, so excuse a bit of it. It says this is the Appeal Cosmetics holographic lip gloss, and this goes for $21. And this looks really nice on the lips, so I just excuse it because I did previously just use it. And does it say a name? Like what kind of... I think it's called Posh. So yeah, you can see it has like tiny holographic specks in it. So it'll probably... I don't have any of it on my lips right now, but it looks really nice on the lips. I really do like glosses now. I'm just loving it. Last but not least, we have the Lashaholic Lashes Instagram False Eyelashes. They range for $14.99, which I don't mind purchasing again. So this is the packaging right here. And then these are the lashes. I was actually going to wear them, but just for the sake of the video, I want you guys to get a good look at the lashes and see how they are. They're very nice and wispy, I would say. They're very natural looking. The band's not too thick, it's not too thin. You can put glue on it and it's easy to remove the glue. And I've never really had to trim my lashes, so hopefully this is one of the lashes I don't have to trim. So I like the packaging overall because it's very gold, it's shimmery, it gets your attention, a little bit of bling. In person it looks more shinier. But yeah, that's all the products that I received in my Boxycharm. Hopefully you guys have the same thing, or if you have something different, I am interested to know what you guys received in your Boxycharm this month. So yeah, I'll see you guys till next time. And if you want a tutorial on how to get this very simple look, it's a transition of orange, a pink, purple at the end, it's very lightly, and then a little bit of gold glitter on your eyelids and in the inner corner of your eyes. I am wanting to show you guys how I did that look. So I'll see you guys until next time, and bye, take care, peace.